everyone, welcome to another section of Teach Yourself Maths. Today's lesson is multiply with regrouping. So in today's lesson, we'll be looking at how to also use base 10 blocks to multiply using the regrouping strategy. Sit back and enjoy. Okay, so to start with, let's take a look at example number 1. Jasim bought 13 packages of light bulbs. There are 4 light bulbs in each package. So there are 13 packages, okay, and in each package we have 4 light bulbs. So to know the total number of light bulbs, you need to multiply these two numbers together. And if you follow through our previous lessons, so that means we're going to have 4 groups of 13, that is 1 tens and 3 ones. And that is why we have this group number 1, 13, group number 2, number 3, and number 4. Where the big one here represents 10 each, and each of these is 1. So if we have 3, so that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So 10 and 3 will give us 13. So next, how do we do it? This time around, we're gonna use a very good strategy. Remember that your 4 is going to multiply each of the place values. So start with the ones place. So we have 4 times 3. 4 times 3, which gives 12. Remember, if we are using the model regrouping, this is already more than 10. So if we count in blues, 3 plus another 3 plus 3 plus 3 will give us 12. From this 12, remove the 10. So if we remove the 10, we'll be left with 2. So that's why we can write the 2 in the ones place. So this 10 that is removed, which means 1 10, we take the 1 to the next place value because it is now under the tens, 1 tens. So the next thing you're going to do is to multiply the tens place. From the 13 you have 1 left, 1 times 4. So 1 times 4 will give you 4. Then the 1 you took to the tens place now, 1 10, you add it to these 4 tens, it gives you 5 tens. So we can have 5 here. So quite easy. So our final answer is 52. And you can use a distributive property to quickly check if it's correct. Remember, 13 has been separated into 10 and 3. I've told you that several times. We have the 3 ones and the 1 tens. So 3 and 10. Next, you use 4 to multiply each of these numbers. That's why we have 4 times 10, which is 40, and 4 times 3, 12. You add the two numbers, 40 and 12, will give you 52. Final answer. I hope you understand. If you don't, please pause the video, rewind it back, and replay it. Let's quickly look at example 2. This time around, we're going to take a step further, not using the model regrouping anymore. And the first thing you should do, Majid makes 6 an hour taking care of the cats at the pet shop. Last month he worked 38 hours. How much money did he earn? So we have 38 multiplied by 6. First, let's look at an estimate. We have 38. 38 is closer to 40 than 30. So we round 38 up to 40. That's our estimate times 6. We can do 4 times 6, and 4 times 6 is going to give us 24 with only 1 0. So 240 is our estimate. Next, let's do the normal multiplication, which shows 38 times 6. The first thing, the 6 will multiply the ones place. So we have 6 times 8, and that's going to give us 48. In the answer block, write the last number, which is the one in the ones place, which is 8. The number in the tens place will go up to the tens place side. Next, we multiply 6 and 3. 6 times 3 will give us 18. Don't forget, we brought 4 to this place value, so you have to add the 4 to this 18, and that's going to give us 8 plus 4 is 12, 2, remember 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So that gives us 22. We're going to write the old 22 since there is no other number we want to multiply. So our final answer, the actual answer is 228, which is our product. So, and the 228 is close to, if you look at the estimate we got, which is 240. Alright guys, so you can pause this video and quickly do question 1 and 2. Right where I'm gonna do it now, let's see if you are correct. I'm gonna use this 4 to multiply 3, so 4 times 3 will give me 12. Remember, I write 2, the remaining 1 go to the next place, value, then we do 4 times 2, and 4 times 2 is 8. Remember to add the 1, and that gives us 9. Final answer, 92. If we are to find the estimate, we have 4 here. The 23 is closer to 20. That is round it down. Round down to 20. And 20 times 4 is 80. This is our estimate. Okay guys, so lay your hands on some of these questions. Yeah, that would be interesting for you to do. And you can check if you're correct later on. So let me just take a look at the problem solving this time around. This is going to be a very good one. So we have a local cave as walking tours. Adult tickets cost 18 AED. So we have the adult ticket cost and the child ticket cost 15 AED. Gemstone pinning cost 12 AED per person. Okay, let's look at question 15. The Mahmoud family has 2 adults and 3 children. How much would it cost for the family to go on a walking tour? We have 2 adults, 3 children. We need to get what is the cost for each adult. It costs 18. So for 2 adults, it's going to be 18 times 2. We need to get the cost for 3 children. For 1 child, it costs 15. So for 3 children, it's going to cost 15 times 3. All together, we add them to get the final answer. And this is going to give us 18 times 2 will give you 36 plus 15 times 3 will give you 45. So add these two numbers together, 36 and 45. We can have 6 plus 5, 11, write 1, take the remaining one up, 3 plus 4, 7 plus this one, 8. Final answer is 81. Okay guys, see you in the next lesson. Take care of yourself and bye bye.